If you had to guess, how many litres would you think the average Irish person uses per day?
How many litres? 5 litres? More, 10. I'm going to say 10 litres, yeah.
50 litres. We have the world's most precious commodity falling out of the sky, so, we have to look after it.
I was just walking by and there was no one there, so I didn't know if it was for drinking or for washing your hands or what it was, but I just thought it was weird, so I just turned it off.
The water was running for a long time, and that's a complete waste of water, so I had to stop it.
30 litres?
129.
129 litres.
Wow.
I thought somebody probably forgot to turn it off.
Like washing up and using the excess water for like plants and things like that. It just seems like a no-brainer. I always have to wash my hands and I turn the tap off.